the B&B formula was the small initial investment for a course, and that was very attractive to find that the fact that somebody's out there taking you by the hand and showing you a step-by-step process on how to get started and start your own real estate business. When we started the B&B formula, that first day I was a little skeptical. I didn't really know what to expect, but it was great to see these videos and basically walk through on how to get a business started, especially in something different like B&B formula.
Yeah, same thing. I think at the beginning I was like excited too, and they provide you with a lot of coaching calls and the latest tips and tricks, and also they give you, it's a different type of business when you don't have to own properties in order to make some income in the real estate field.
Well, I think the exact moment when we know we've succeeded was actually having our first client as a business. That was really exciting to know that it actually worked, and to know that we were well protected, opening a corporation and following the steps as mentioned in the B&B formula program.
Yeah, same thing. I think I realized that we succeeded when we're able to start like renting places without like having to own the property. So basically, we didn't have to invest so much money to start our business. We kind of started from scratch.
Life is a lot better now having a business. It's created some great revenue. I'm able to slow down on my normal job and spend more time with family and friends and people I love.
Yeah, I think the greatest or the biggest change will be like having more time freedom to take care of like family or spend time with your loved ones.
It's been a great experience for everyone around us. We were able to spend more time with them and not miss big events, not have to work at the JOB so much. So it's been fantastic.
Yeah, for my family, I used to work like 60 to 70 hours a week, and then I'm able to see more with my mom, my family, and spend more time with them. And being able to take care of your family, that will be the biggest accomplishment.
One of the biggest wins, I think, is the fact that we actually have a corporation, we have a business. Instead of being someone else's employee, we are now our own entrepreneurs, and we pretty much have our faith in our hands.
Yeah, definitely. And I think what the biggest wins for me will be having greater ownership on my own time, and like I said before, spending time with my loved ones and being able to work on my own company for my own profit and not trying to make money for somebody else.
Well, thank you very much, guys. It was a pleasure.
Hi everyone, this is Sonia from Boca Raton, Florida. I was a new mom, used to travel a lot from my job, and because of the baby it was almost impossible to work. One day my husband was listening to a podcast and heard about the B&B formula course, and he talked about it to me, and I kind of got interested, and I thought I should give it a try. It's a great opportunity for me since I can work and I'm staying home. This is a great thing for me to try. And my husband said, I'm gonna get this course for you, and it was almost Valentine's Day coming up, and that was my Valentine's gift, which was the best gift ever. So I started to study the course and listen to every little details and the tips that was provided, and I think these tips made it so much easier to go on with the whole process and get the listings, deal with people, which I thought if I didn't have this course, this job would be very challenging and I might have even gave up first day. So I already have 2 listings, which is making me $2,500 a month, and I'm still working on getting more leads. Every day I find new stuff, and I'm very happy with this course, and I'm looking forward to get more listings. I talk about it to everyone, the moms that are almost same situation as me, encourage them. This is the best opportunity then they can have. So just like me, they can spend more time with their babies. Now I have way more time in my hand and more time with my baby. I can see her grow. I'm not missing out on anything in her life and my life. I see all the milestones, and I have more time for myself, making money at the same time, which is really nice. Thank you, Brian Page, to provide this opportunity for everyone like me and other people who can take advantage of this great course. Thank you.
And we're a father-son team, so I saw the B&B formula and thought it was a great idea. I have an executive coaching and leadership development company and wanted to find ways to diversify my company. So I invested in the B&B formula program, began to go through it just a little bit, and then at a certain point earlier in the summer, I realized that this was a way for my son and I to be able to work together. So I was really excited about that because Evan is an aspiring jazz musician and knows that he wants to be able to have multiple streams of income to be able to support his love of music and his desire to use that as his career.
So the first day my dad had brought up that he had purchased this program and began talking about the steps that he was taking to pursue it, I immediately had an interest and was very curious as to how I can be a part of this. And especially as a musician, like he stated, I'm trying to work on multiple streams of income and passive income, and I had previously been looking at other forms of passive income such as a dividend portfolio in the stock market and things of that nature.
I think that I realized that we had begun to succeed, and we're early on in this journey, so I think that our definition of success may be a little bit different than others, but our definition of success is that we're approaching our first property, and we've identified some of our targets, and we're looking forward to getting that first property. And I would say the other thing that's a success is the ability for Evan and I to be able to learn to work together, find our strengths, to be able to have each other to be able to work off of, and then to be able to work this business. And so we're very excited and really feel like we're on that path and that road to success.
Before I was aware of the BNB formula and about building a passive income stream this way, I had a lot of thoughts of how am I going to make this work, trying to pursue music especially. And so this is really a whole window that opened up that showed me, hey, you can do multiple things, have multiple streams of income and passive income, and not only has it affected me, but also many of my friends who I've begun to tell about the program and about how building a passive income stream could make the difference between living like a starving artist and living like how they really want to live.
We're really excited about the B&B formula, and I really recommend it. It's a very simple, step-by-step program, very simple to use, very simple to implement, as a matter of fact. And so the implementation is where it's at. And so Evan and I are really grateful for the B&B formula to be able to implement it together.